Hello, it's Jennifer with Junkie Junk Journals. I have a folio project, custom order project, Tim Holtz folio that I've decorated with Tim Holtz products. The cover here I've layered with many different elements, stickers and remnant rubs and ephemera pieces, brads, metal frame, vintage lace and buttons. The back has background papers and the collage paper, and pinned it together there, and this charm here, charm for 2023. I was inspired a lot by Susie at Shabby Soul on Instagram and YouTube. She shows how she makes these folios also. She uses a lot of Tim Holtz products. She's got a lot of different cool projects that she shares. And here on this side, there's more collage work, the fabric tape and the photograph. This journaling card, I used the photo also and background papers and texture paste, more collage paper, and the transparencies here. I loved using those throughout the project. It's definitely like a floral, flowers, and butterfly and bird themed charm there, and the transparency there. And inside it has 2 removable signatures with coffee stain papers, some vintage ledger. It's secured in with the elastic, so it's removable. You can take away and add as you go. And my light keeps going on and off. The center here, I made that pocket, and I added charm at the bottom. And more collage detail, the photograph and the layers and the butterflies and the tags, or the salvage tags, and then the journaling card, texture paste at the bottom, and the paper doll, top and back, butterflies. Maybe Santa will bring me a new light for Christmas. In the side pocket, got vintage lace and buttons, the remnant rub on the side, the tag at the top, and then the tag inside. I did a tea bag collage tag, and on the back more paper dolls and layers with tickets and florals and a frame. In the tea bag I added a portrait picture and some more collage, and stained and inked it. And the folio here, I made with the background papers, I made a large pocket, and I've stained and inked the folio and made that pocket for this little notebook. I stitched the sides together to make a little book, and made pockets also. And I used all the different elements. Splattered some paint on there. Added cheesecloth, layers, decoupage paper or collage paper, remnant rubs, and the transparency paper. The salvage tag there with the brad, decoupage and collage, texture paste, the salvage tag with layers, remnant rubs, collage paper. A lot of fun making this journal. I use, like I said, all Tim Holtz products. Thanks for watching.